We are fortunate to have with us Honorable Mr. Justice Hemant Gupta, Judge, Supreme Court of India, for this inaugural ceremony. His Lordship's close association with this revered institution is known to all of us. His Lordship has been at the helm of affairs as Honorable J.A.D. Van and as the acting Chief Justice of this Honorable Court, and have the first-hand experience of working of this historic court. Without taking much time, may I have the pleasure and honor to humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Hemant Gupta, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to address this distinguished gathering.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Sharad Arvind Bobde, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nitish Kumar, Honorable Minister for Law and Justice, Department of and Ministry of Information Technology, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Shri Sanjay Karol, Chief Justice of Bihar, Shri Naveen Sinha, my esteemed colleague, Ms. Indra Banerjee, my esteemed colleague, the former judges who have adorned the Supreme Court, Justice B.N. Agarwal, Justice B.P. Singh, Justice Mukundam Sharma, Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra, Justice S.J. Mukhopadhyay, Justice Shiva Kirti Singh, Chief Justice Ravi Ranjan, former Chief Justices, sitting judges, retired judges, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, I came here on 8th of February 2016, the year when the centenary celebrations were to be solemnized, and they were supposed to be held on 10th of March 2016. Initially, this new block was sought to be proposed to be inaugurated at that time, but because of the contractor creating problems, the building got delayed. And it is after 5 years we have been able to achieve this day to inaugurate this building. The Patna High Court building was High Court started in 1916 with 9 sanction strength, which rose later, as on now, is 53. But the old building, the centenary building, which was constructed earlier in 1916, was able to cope up with the increased strength, although it was not designed for that purpose. A need was felt that additional building is required. It was at the cost of beautiful lawn, which was earlier being used. The members of the bar and the judges were a little sore about it, that the beautiful lawn has been taken away by the additional building. But some pain has to be suffered for a larger good. Now we have a beautiful building in which there are 43 courtrooms which is proposed, but probably it can take additional burden as well, keeping view the requirements. I hope this building is good enough for another 100 years. Now fast forward to current situation. The current pandemic has thrown many challenges to humanity. Justice delivery system has also been affected. But I would say that the constitutional courts have kept the doors of justice open all over the country. Maybe the volume of cases which were handled doesn't satisfy some of the litigants or the members of the bar, but the fact remains that all urgent cases, including the cases affecting life and liberty, were not only listed but decided as well. Video conferencing facility was not known to many members of the bar and the bench, but everybody tuned up with the technology very fast. Though pandemic has affected the decision of large number of cases, but at least the access of justice was available to the citizen of this country. The judges of the Patna High Court, led by the Chief Justice, deserve credit for ensuring that the justice delivery system was not hampered by this pandemic. To make the justice delivery system effective and efficient, the cooperation of the bar is as much necessary as the willingness of the judges to dispense justice. judges and the members of the bar have to join hands together so that citizens of this country over the length and breadth have access to justice, which is fundamental right of the citizens. The judges and the lawyers are working for citizens. The lawyers are representing the citizens, and judges dispense the justice according to best of their understanding of law and facts. The members of bar are not personally interested in subject matter of litigation, but present a cause to defend or prosecute in the court of law. The commitment of the members of the bar to be participant in the justice delivery system is as important as the responsibility of the judges to decide the matters. Without the one, the other, another is rendered nugatory. Therefore, both the lawyers and the judges have to work together to alleviate the misery of the common man, to protect the rights of citizens, and also that every citizen is treated fairly and dignity and honor with which a citizen of this country deserves. I recollect the words of Viceroy when the building was put to use on 3rd of February 2016, that this court should act as a court of wisdom, justice, and mercy. I think the words spoken more than 100 years ago still holds a good, and that's what the motto of the justice is, that it should be imparted with wisdom, justice, fairness, and mercy. I hope that the inauguration of the new building with the latest facilities will help the members of the bar and the judges to achieve the ultimate goal of justice to all. I wish all the members of the bar a happy administration of justice. Thank you very much.